ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Habakran hak startup session Jong Prime Megapreneur Expo Arja Arpsau. Menteri Rambak Kejelau Konrad K Sangma Uloong Banadu Ningkong Kisngi Hakapo Bu Shimti kum Menteri Rambak Kejela. Thong Beningkong Kabauduan Galong. Ban Kyntiew Nongseng Jam Lajong Namar Bagayo Kakot Jong Kejela. Kasyong Haki Nongseng Lajong. Uloong Balingba Gani program Nongseng Kiyo Kalar Banya Selok Paramaki. Matkila Ru Banya Tealok Nakbentaban Penya Yoy Kimari Mata Jongki. Ulapan paudu ke jingsko komen namar bagi Nongseng kila Shimti Shirahem hagni ke program pada ukurman banang ni Hakhmat sorkar kan salak ban pelong ki program ki wakham he banyak ni.
As you know that entrepreneurship is really one of the pillars for policy of our government, and we have been pushing entrepreneurship from the very first day that I took over in 2018. And the simple reason is because I believe that without entrepreneurs, without all of you, we will not be able to achieve the kind of economic development that we would like to see in our state, and we might not be able to create the opportunities for our youngsters. And hence entrepreneurship is a must for any state or any country to move forward. And it's been a long journey, but today we are having this Prime Megapreneur program out here to celebrate entrepreneurship, and we hope that this will build up a culture of entrepreneurship in our state, and it will promote and push the youth especially to take risks, calculated risks. And therefore today this program being organized by Startup India is again another way in which we hope that it will give you a bit more confidence in terms of financials. Finance is obviously a very complicated subject, but a subject that is needed when you're doing business. And hence, I hope that these kind of programs will be of great help to you, and we will continue to do this. I hope you get the best, exposure today and in these next few days to come. Do engage with each other. This is also an opportunity for you to meet other entrepreneurs. It's an opportunity for you to see what opportunities lie in the state, and maybe even collaborate and partner with each other to do some big business or some great ideas. So it's not just about learning here, it's also about interacting, it's about building relationships, it's about coming up with new ideas, and so on and so forth. So I'm really happy to see a great response. So many of you are here, and once again would like to thank and congratulate Startup India and the Prime for this wonderful program that they are organizing. I hope you guys are benefiting from this. I can't hear you. Yes, okay. And you look forward to more such programs, right? Yes. So please give your feedback. Please give your feedback as to what you would want to change or improve, or if you tell us that maybe different subjects or whatever it is. We look for your suggestions to make it better. And once again, I wish this program, and more importantly, I wish each and every one of you great success in your future.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. I am Shaurya Bhaglal from Startup India, Ministry of Commerce, DPIT, Government of India. I am here in Meghalaya, Shillong for this Prime Meghalaya event, Prime Meghalaya Expo that Prime Meghalaya has organized. It's a wonderful opportunity. I have interacted with multiple startups here. I am representing Startup India, DPIT here. I have come with a mindset, with an ideology to sort of facilitate opportunities for startups here, provide them market access, provide them some sort of help to grow their businesses, grow their startups with the help of the Government of India. So my ideology is here. My ideology is to promote all of that here, and I've been wonderfully interacted with 2-3 startups here since the past 2 hours. But I can see a wonderful event also here going on with a physical showcase and these technical sessions also going on here with close to 200 people attending this session, and the session was also graced by Honorable CM of Meghalaya also. So wonderful event happening here, and and I'm honestly very excited and very pumped up to be here, and very excited to represent Startup India and bring startup representation here. Yes.
First time living here?
So yes, it's my first time in Shillong and in Meghalaya as well. Second time in the Northeast, and as every time, Northeast always gives you some surprises, and this time also it was filled with surprises. I met close to 250 entrepreneurs, close to 100 student entrepreneurs, and also few startups, which I had not expected. But this time, the mountain of expectations that Meghalaya as a state has offered, it's tremendous, and it opens doors for all sort of opportunities for startups, entrepreneurs, student entrepreneurs coming out of schools, colleges. I met 2 BCom graduate students, and wonderful. Those ideas were wonderful. I met this 2 founders who are particularly recycling plastic, converting it into plastic particles, and might as well creating products out of it. And the SKU prices for particular SKU are so cheap and beautifully curated. So again, renewable energy aspect is also being covered. They are sort of going into recycling things as well, and also offering it on a very cheap price. So accessibility is also taken care into. So that is wonderful, and I'm really pumped up to be here again. Yeah.
What is the scope for the entrepreneurs of the state?
Scope is the sky is the scope, I would put it that way. Again, my job here as a representative from Startup India, DPIIT, Government of India, is to sort of bring whatever opportunities, whatever possibilities the government can facilitate them, be it in terms of funding, market access, or whatever. So that is the ideology here, and there's huge scope. Again, I would call back to the thought that I was coming here with. I thought there would be close to around 50 or 100 entrepreneurs, but I am amazingly surprised to see close to 250 and 300 entrepreneurs, startups here representing themselves, being an active part of this event. So as part of Startup India, we've got this Ascend initiative as well, which we've been running since the past year. So last year we were here. We analyzed that entrepreneurs and startups have this thought process of a lot of compliance issues being taken care into. So this time we are here setting a one-to-one mentorship sessions with entrepreneurs who are here, one-to-one clearing out their doubts. We've got industry experts from having legal background, having running successful startups background. So that's something that we're trying to curate here, trying to bring in the knowledge that we've had with a lot of startups, close to 1 lakh startups that we have recognized under DPIIT, under Ministry of Commerce, under Government of India, trying to bring in that experience, act as facilitators for startups here. That is the ideology I'm here with, and the sky is the limit for Meghalaya. And as they say, sky is filled up with clouds here, but surely the approach for entrepreneurs here is not clouded for sure. Yeah.